Dear Kazakhstanis, on the 75th anniversary of Victory Day, the U.S. mission to Kazakhstan takes the opportunity to honor the brave veterans, men and women of both our nations, and all the members of the Allied forces who fought against and defeated the Axis powers.
Today, we stand together with the people of Kazakhstan to remember all those who sacrificed their lives during World War II, both on and off the battlefield. Their bravery, selflessness, and sacrifice won the war and made our future possible.
We will be forever indebted to the heroes who fell, those who survived, and those who supported the troops from home. We recognize the enormous contribution to the Allied victory by millions of Kazakhstanis who left their homes to join the Red Army and those who relentlessly worked to fight the battle on the home front.
In this war, the Western Allies and the Soviet Union worked together to defeat a common enemy. Through this united effort and the unflinching bravery of the Allied forces, the Nazi regime was defeated.
Для нас большая честь благодарить казахстанских ветеранов Второй мировой войны за их службу. Мы никогда не забудем ваш бесценный вклад в победу.
Барлық Қазақстандықтарға денсаулық пен бейбітшілік тілейміз.
Жеңіс күні құтты болсын.
С Днем Победы!